It's a pleasure to welcome you to the Hub. The Hub is a movement, it's an ecosystem, it's a network of like-minded individuals that want to have an impact on the world through their own projects, be it through entrepreneurship or working on collaboratively to make, yes, economical impact, but at the same time social impact, environmental impact, and our cultural impact. So welcome and join us at the Hub. So the space has been designed mostly to allow us to connect with one another, no? To connect a community of people that are passionate about different fields, be it on arts, architecture, physics, anthropology, business, no? And how can they collaboratively create a radical impact that by themselves it's impossible for them to imagine, and yet as a community it's more than possible, no? It's actually already happening. So the space has been designed to connect these individuals. So as you walk in, you have a bit of the lockers where people have their possessions. And here we have very brief profiles of our members, which answer to three basic questions. So the first one being, what is your project about? What is it that you need? And what is it that you offer to the community? Okay? And as we move forward, we have the members wall, which is just a representation of what we have online on the HubNet, which is our collaboratively tool. No, it's more like the Facebook of the Hub. And there you can actually search not only for the 300 members in Madrid, but actually for the more than 5,000 members in the 30 hubs that are across all 5 continents right now. Here we have also a communal library where you share the books that you're reading, things that you find relevant, but also it allows you to connect. No? When you meet someone that you found interesting or that you could learn more from them, you see what they're reading, and perhaps you find different connections there that will allow you to engage with that person further on. And we'll stay here. As you see, the kitchen is not only here, but just about in every community. It's the space where you actually connect most naturally. You know? That's where the grandma used to be with the granddaughter. They're cooking together, and as you're sharing a meal, you're meeting new entrepreneurs and seeing what they're doing and so on. No? And here it's finally the common working space where you actually have a collaborative space more for co-working, and nobody has a fixed desk. It's an open space, and as you find a free spot, you just jump in and start working together. And in the meantime, you might actually bump up into different individuals, which is part of the culture. It's how the space is set. Also, the tables, if you notice, they have no corners. It's more rounded spaces so that you don't know who has more or less hierarchy. There's no hierarchy at the Hub. And then you have people that enable and dynamize the community, which we call hosts. No, it's in more business terms, it's organized networking, and it's individuals that actually their role is to empower and to connect the community in meaningful ways.